Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use multimeter. Let's measure the voltage of this 9-volt battery. First, let's set the multimeter to voltage meter mode to measure the voltage. And we will have the approximate value of the voltage. Now let's try the resistor. Here we have 75 ohm, 100 ohm and 10,000 ohm resistor. Now let's set the multimeter to resistance mode to measure the resistance. And same as voltage meter, it will also show you the approximate value of the resistor. And that is how to use multimeter, and thank you for watching.